Across Europe's most dynamic business capitals, a new kind of entrepreneurial journey begins. Welcome to ESCP Business School's Custom Executive Program, developed in collaboration with Elita B, a transformative experience designed for ambitious international participants, particularly from China, seeking first-hand experience of how entrepreneurship is taught and practiced across Europe. From Berlin to Amsterdam, Madrid to Turin, London to Paris, Beijing to Hangzhou and Shenzhen, this unique multi-campus journey immerses participants in Europe's diverse entrepreneurial ecosystems. Through a hands-on, practical approach that combines world-class academic lectures with Europe's vibrant innovation ecosystem, participants engage in company visits, real-world casework, and direct interactions with entrepreneurs. Thanks to partnerships with leading AI organizations such as OpenAI and Hugging Face, the program connects emerging technologies with real-world business transformation. Supported by a global network of 90,000 alumni, participants build the mindset, perspective, and international connections needed to lead confidently in tomorrow's global economy. One school, 9 cities, one entrepreneurial future.